In this introductory video, we delve into the fundamentals of Microsoft Azure Service Fabric, an essential platform for building and managing scalable cloud applications. Perfect for beginners and those new to Azure. What you'll learn: Service Fabric Overview. Understand what Azure Service Fabric is and why it's a game changer in the cloud computing realm. Basic concepts. Grasp the core concepts of Service Fabric, including microservices architecture and container orchestration. First steps. We'll guide you through setting up your first Service Fabric cluster and deploying a simple application. Who is this video for? Aspiring cloud professionals, software developers, IT specialists interested in Microsoft Azure. In this episode, clear explanations, simplified and jargon-free explanations to make your learning curve as smooth as possible. Hands-on demonstrations, real-time demonstrations to help you grasp practical aspects of Service Fabric. Resources for further learning. We provide additional resources and reading materials to deepen your understanding. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth Azure tutorials and step-by-step guides. Have questions or need some help? Drop your queries in the comments or contact us at your contact information.